Hi, in this video I will show you how to fold this origami butterfly. So to start off, make sure that you have the collar side up and fold horizontally and vertically. Now turn the paper over and fold diagonally in both ways. Like this. Now turn to the collared side and grab two diagonal creases like this and push them to the middle to make a water bomb base. Now grab the model and grab one flap and put the point of this flap here. And make a crease right here. And repeat on the left side. Like this. Now turn the model over. And we want to fold the model like this. And make sure that you have a little point right on top here left. So lay the model down like this and fold it up. And crease all the way. Like this. So turn the model over like this, and as you can see we have two flaps here. What we want to do is we want to take one flap and open the model up, and as you can see it doesn't lie flat. So just gently push this part of the paper that won't lie flat. Like this to form a wing. And now do the same thing on the left side. So just open it and squash the paper. Now we want to make a mountain fold from here to here. To fold everything in half. And now we want to make a valley fold from this point right here to this point. Like this. Now we want to make the same fold from this point to this point. So grab this part of the model and fold like this to align with this fold we've already made. You can also align the wings with each other, which makes it more easy. And make a fold. And now your origami butterfly is finished.